Oh, write your name here.
Mommy, help me, please.
How I'm going to help you? Ay, like that. Like that.
Look, this one also, they are up.
Up.
Look at that.
Correct ba?
Correct. I'm so tired already.
Oh. Halukoy naman itong anak ko nito. Pagod na daw yung right hand niya, kaya kaliwa naman ginamit niya. Napagpahinga na. Yan ang assignment ni Arya. Kailangan nila matutong magsulat ng pangalan nila. 5 years. Ng kanila. Sila lang yan.